guys, welcome back to my channel, Lanih Parish here. Today I'm going to do an edit or upload photo to my Google account because I have a friend who asked me how to edit or upload photo in our Google account. So now I have another account that have no photo yet. So let's start, guys. So find the Google, search, and Google login. So type the Google login and search. So now log into Google, sign in Google account. So touch that one. Touch again. Not working. Then you, yep, now. So this is the result, guys. Type your email ad and then put your password and see you in a bit after I sign in. So now it's downloading. I already logged in. Now say welcome Lanih Parish. So now let's start how to upload photo on this one. So I can put a photo in here. Now click this one or touch this one, and then there is a word change. So change, touch that one, guys. Now a box pop up. Well, wait, it's still downloading. And let's see. So here's the result. So upload, here's upload photos, your photos, photo view. So I just do that, upload photos, and then touch this select a photo from your computer. So touch that one, and then choose this one. The result is camera. If you wanna do selfie, you can. And then camcorder, but I have a file already. I have a picture file in it. In this file, so I touch the file. I got only one photo on this tablet, guys. So I touch this and see you in a bit. It's uploading. It's uploading. Just wait, guys. It's uploading. It's uploading. See, after this one, guys, I'm sure it will change the profile there on here. So it's gonna have a photo picture of mine in there, not on the air. So my picture will come up there, guys. So let's wait again. Can you hear the sounds? My husband is boiling water in the kettle, guys. Just nearly almost there, finished. Let's wait. Let's wait. Let's wait. So now it says in here left or right. Left or right. Drag. We drag that one, make it bigger. We see, like that. It can show up my whole body. So that one, that's perfect. So I don't if you like to add caption, you can, but for now I don't wanna put caption. So I click this set as profile photo. So I touch that one, guys. Let's see. So it's downloading again, guys. Just wait for a bit. Now we'll see if it's come up there. Nothing happened yet. So I think I need to log out first. So touch this one, guys, to log out or sign out. That one there. Alright, see you in a bit when I come back again. Now I'm getting back, logging into my account, guys. We'll see now. See, there is a picture now, profile in my account Google. So this one, guys, if you use this account to your YouTube channel, your YouTube channel account will, the photos be like this too, guys. It will be the same. So guys, I'm now in my YouTube apps. So right side, you touch that one, and then after you touch the right side, guys, you touch this switch account. This one, guys, is the one that I just changed the photo. So I touch that one, guys, and here's the result. Let's see. We'll see on this. So here's the one, guys, right side. Now it's my, I got profile now. I got profile now there, guys. There. Yan. So that's my new profile on this account, guys. So that's it. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Hope this information, it will help you guide through editing your Google account by changing your profile. And thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel. Please leave comments and check that notification bell for my next videos. God bless everyone. Thank you and bye-bye.